What?
Are you a Yamabella?
Me?
Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Yan
And it's your girl Shelly.
So today we have a banger video for you guys. We are doing
the whisper
challenge.
So everyone should know what a whisper is, right? You know when them no man not no. You know when you're in a church, I see Miss Mary shoes. I want to tell Miss Jonas about Mary shoes. You just lean over and say, them way.
yeah, them way there. That we're gonna do
Them
today.
way
But
there.
it's slightly different.
It's a bit different. We're gonna put a twist to it to make it a little bit excited. So what we're about to do is I'm gonna wear an earphone, blast some nice, reggae tune in me. I'm probably a dance,
Of course, you have to dance. You have to dance without blood.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna blast the music in our ears, and she's gonna be on the other end saying some sentence to me, and I'm supposed to guess what she's saying. You know, a bit foolishness, because me can't read no lip, Never banned to read lip. What read lip ago?
I do sign language.
No, read lip. Lip reading.
Okay.
Never banned for that.
So yeah.
So first, before we get into the video, pick up my nice clean nail tech. Our nice clean nail tech.
Yes. Excuse me. Feel we.
Nice
nail tech with good clean cousin
Natoya. Nobody's gonna watch it. Thank you. Look at those nails. Thank you. Good.
So cute.
You know, it's always family love, always supporting our family. We're not only supporting her because it's our family, but she's bad.
She have a lot of experience. She have a lot of how much years, but probably like
it's not about experience. You go and check her because a lot of people have experience, but
and
they're not
talented.
True. She is super talented. Go and check her out. Probably we're gonna leave her
social media in the bottom down there
description below, so you can go ahead and book your appointment and get your nails slayed.
Not because of quarantine, means you can't look good, you can't still look good in the house
and come out
you
nice.
Understand?
Enough of the chatting.
Alright, we're
get
done, yes.
into the chocolate. Oh, go, goody. Goody. Let's get into the channel.
Ready?
Start.
Oh, first you or me?
Okay, so no more rock paper scissors, I know you. If you go, you go on. I know you love rock paper scissors.
Can you say me I go win? She don't know say me I go win.
Alright. Who do you think is gonna win? Me or her?
Because our mom is not here. For my mother not there to help her. Make sure win this time. So we will see.
No.
So who are we headphone first? Me or you?
No rock paper scissors.
Round rock paper scissors?
No. Age. Who's older? Get to choose. So me old and me born first. So I choose not to go first. So I'll ask the question. So that's fair though. Maybe best? I feel so. Oh, well, look at myself.
I still go in there almost wash belly. Almost.
She don't wash belly.
It's almost not count.
So she's gonna go first. So let's.
So we're gonna do one sentence by one, the one vice versa, one vice versa.
We're into this.
Okay, me I go
nice,
first.
Fabulous.
Put some headphone. Make sure I can't hear her. I'm turn on my music now. Wait.
So I have my little things on my phone. So I'm gonna read it from here.
I'm gonna listen to coffee now. Wait.
I'm gonna make sure like a big idiot. big idiot me should like. Just watch and see. You hear the music? So it's blasting.
Wait, we can tell it start.
Yannick. Hello. Hello. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Goody. You hear me? You hear me? What? You hear me? You not hear
What?
me? You not hear me? Try.
What you say?
Look fully at you. Alright. Alright. Start. Okay. I'm gonna start. The first question I'm gonna ask her is, I'm gonna whisper to her is,
I'm gonna parody lips.
you are a tomato. You are a tomato. So that's what I'm gonna say to her. I'm gonna lip sync. It's not even a whisper challenge, it's like a lip sync challenge. So I say you are a tomato. Okay. You
Me
are
me are
a
a
tomato.
what?
You are a tomato.
Spatu?
You are a tomato.
Spatu?
Next question.
You are a spatu?
Next question. I pee my pants.
We cannot sound on. Wait. What you say?
I pee my pants.
What?
I
I'm
pee
me
my pants.
mats. I
pee
pee
my
my pants. I pee my pants. Look at the one there. Alright.
Alright. What
What
do
do
you
you
do
what do I do?
at
At
a
a
green
grill
light?
light.
What do you do at a green light?
What I do at a grill light?
The road to success is always under construction.
Listen.
The road to success is always under construction.
The road
To success
so taxi
is always under
call
under construction.
contractor. That's another way I say. The road call contractor.
Baby's butt.
Your place boss.
Who lives in a pineapple?
The music
under
has stop. Wait. The music done. One next one start. Wait. Change to your next. Alright. Music stop.
Okey pokey.
Holy pokey. Holy pokey.
But then
I
I turned myself around.
saw myself. Yeah? I saw myself.
That's it for me.
Eh?
No. That's done. We're done. Question is done.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh.
My turn has completed.
Oh, me never talk too loud.
Yeah, you're extra loud, so
Alright.
no, it is
Her turn.
to ask me some, lip challenge and see. So let's get right into it. Loud.
You can't hear me say? You can't hear me now? You can't hear me now? You can't hear me now? Me not talk loud enough. Because I don't want you to get what me I say. You understand me I say? Okay, good. Your beard?
What?
Your beard?
Me?
Your beard?
If my beard?
Yeah. Your beard?
If my beard?
Your beard? Yeah.
My beard?
Yeah.
If me beard?
Yeah. Your beard?
Me no know.
You don't know if your beard?
If my beard?
So you don't know if your beard? Your beard, yes or no?
My beard?
Yes or no? Your beard, yes or no?
Yeah, no.
You know beard?
What?
Your beard? Because I'm not short. Did you take a shower?
If my bed.
Did you take a shower? You take one shower?
If my what?
You take one shower?
If my shower.
Yes.
Shower.
Yes. Did you shower? Yes or no? Okay, never mind.
Can
You
me
hear me?
pee?
Me.
If me can pee?
Yeah, you can pee. You can pee.
If me can pee?
Can you hear me?
Can I pee? Like, can I pee?
No. Okay. Are you a Yamabella?
What?
Are you a Yamabella?
Me?
Are you a Yamabella?
Me a
Yamabella.
Bella?
Yamabella.
If I'm a Bella?
If you are Yamabella.
If I am a Bella?
Yamabella. Yamabella.
If me a Bella?
Nico mash up your Nico mash up your life.
What?
Nico mash up your life.
Who mash up what?
Nico mash up your life.
Nico mash up your life.
Yes. Yes, alright. Uptown funk you up.
What?
Uptown funk you up.
What?
Uptown funk you up.
Where I say?
Up.
Town.
Stone. Town.
Stone.
Town.
Stone.
Town.
Stone.
Town.
Up stone.
Up. Stone. Town.
Up stone.
Uptown funk you up.
Fuck. What?
Funk. Sweet Jesus. Okay. Baby's bottom.
What?
Baby's bottom.
Mash.
Baby's bottom.
Baby mash up.
Baby's bottom.
Baby.
Bottom.
What?
Bottom.
Baby bottom. Baby bottom.
Yes, goody. Yes. Your bati maga.
What?
Your bati maga.
You what?
Your bati maga.
Maspa.
Your bati maga. That's my last question.
Your mispa.
Your bati maga.
Your bottom.
Your bati. Your bottom maga.
Your whatever. What?
You have a small ass.
Why you blinking your eyes so much time?
I don't know.
You confuse me.
Your body have a small bottom.
What?
You have a small bottom.
I have. Me have. What me have?
Small bottom.
Bottom. Of course, my bottom.
But it's small.
Bottom. Me have bottom. Yeah.
Small bottom.
If me have bottom.
Have you seen one bottom? Your bottom small.
If you are.
She's only a cry. I'm crying. Why you crying? Why you crying? What?
If it's small.
You have a small bottom.
Oh, yeah.
You have a small. Next one. You love your belly?
What?
You love your belly?
If me what?
You love your belly?
If me what?
You love your belly?
If me love me what? Make
Your
me
goat.
Me love. If me love my goat.
Yes. You love your goat? Okay, the next one is. What if you read me something? Wait. My fart and it smell like cheese.
What?
My fart and it smell like cheese.
What?
My fart and it smell like cheese. You like the smell?
You.
My fart and it smell like cheese. You like it?
You fart. You fart. You fart.
And it smell like cheese. You like the smell? Your fart and it smell like cheese. You love the smell, yes or no? You love the smell? You like it smell?
You fart.
And it smell like a cheese or cabbage. Cheese and cabbage.
Me don't know. You fart and you fart.
You fart and it smell like a cheese. You like the cheese
Oh, you
smell?
fart. Eh?
Through my buttocks.
You fart. I want to know how you fart.
No, me fart and it smell like cheese. My fart and
You
it smell
fart.
like and it smell like cheese. You like it smell?
Smell.
You like it smell? It smell like cheese.
Like-
You like smell cheese? You like cheese smell?
Like, if me like cheese,
You like it smell like cheese when you fart on my bottom? When you fart come out of my bottom, you like it?
me like the smell
Or cheese when you fart come out of my bottom?
of cheese.
Yeah, when it come out of my bottom.
What you talk about?
When it comes out of my bottom, I like it smell like oh, it smell like cheese rather than regular cheese. If it smell better when it comes out of my bottom instead of come out of the fridge.
What?
You like it smell like cheese when it comes out of my bottom or like when it comes out of the fridge? You like the smell? You like it smell like the
Smell.
Mhm.
Smell. Yeah.
You like it smell like
Yeah,
the cheese when it
smell,
comes out of my
smell,
yes.
smell,
You
yeah,
like
yeah.
it smell like the cheese when it comes out of my bottom or when it comes out of the fridge?
Me like the smell. Yeah, me like the smell.
Of the cheese.
Cheese. Yeah, me love cheese.
Me know say you like cheese, you love your belly. You understand? When I say if I like the smell of the cheese when it comes out of my
Smell
body.
of cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me like
My
smell
fart
of cheese.
smell of cheese. My fart
Yeah?
smell like my fart smell.
What?
My fart smell like cheese.
Fart.
My fart smell like cheese.
Cheese.
My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. My fart smell like cheese. Yeah, my fart smell like cheese.
Okay, me done. Me don't know.
My fart smell like cheese. Me also say if you like it smell my fart when my battery will go there free.
Listen, that the one day. No, she wrong. The one day wrong. That's not nice. Listen, me not like the one there.
Alright, so that's it.
That's our video for this week. So what we want you to do is go down below and comment and tell us what challenge you want me and look what I do, you know. Yeah. Can you know say everything when I do, my beats are
You don't-
come out as the winner. Hey, listen.
Who are the winner? Because she never get the last one I get. I get majority of the one that she
But
gets. She can
because she not secretly, you know, listen to me and my conversation. Cause you know, me tell her why she get all of it. Because of she something there, and Miss Jonah in a church. And she and Miss Jonah in a church, and she is the people business.
I love people business. I love
And she
it.
steer from
Listen.
far. And when people are whisper, she hear everything. And she the
True.
miles away. And
True.
she, so that's why she gets it.
I true on a lie.
And she,
True.
yeah.
True.
Mm-hmm.
So, but that, you know, let me
Yeah,
tell you
what
what my
me
life for the
say?
next. My life, you get some story. I may read up people's story. Like people say they see people do that. Like they instead of their story, and you don't read their story.
Tell us if you want to see that. Like we get some tell me pastor
Juicy
story,
story.
some juicy, nice story, and read them out, and we tell our honest opinion. I will give honest advice. You understand?
And things that
Yeah,
give us some
things
nice
like
advice.
that, some nice advice. Cause I'm telling you, me
We
tell me
no
say me
dunce.
too, no dunce, but
We
they
no
tell me say
dunce.
me too blunt, me too honest. That's my problem.
They
So.
always tell me that too.
I
Say
tell
go
us
forward.
straight, cause
If you have one problem,
please.
send it
no, me no want no Yamabella say nothing to me.
Send your Yamabellas.
No, nobody say
Tell me, come on, open on the business. Tell me.
No, come on, nobody open their mind. I don't want to hear it.
Okay, so just say if you have a man problem, if you have pitney problem, if you have granny problem, if you have landlord problem,
Financial problem, food problem,
sister problem,
no she, eye problem, nose problem, mouth problem, food problem. Listen, any type of problem, send them in now.
Like you have problem at the
Send
end,
them in.
just send them in food.
So we probably do that video like down, get a lot of stories so we can
put them all together and do it. So we can like do one story and that's it.
Yeah.
So
a combination. So comment down
and you
below.
guys are not commenting. You guys are commenting on the video, but you're not commenting what you want to see us to do next. Like I want you guys to tell us what you want to see next. Like give us ideas on what we should do and what you guys are interested in, so we can post the video that you guys want to see. Okay.
So go down below and comment like what we should do next, and challenge you want to see us do. And if you want us to do a Q&A, just go ahead and go down below and put the questions like you like us to answer. Like anything, nothing is off limit. You can ask us anything. We're gonna be open. We're gonna be transparent. Ask us. Come on, man. Ask anything.
Ask them anything. And please, people, do not. You reach this far of the video, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. Okay,
please, and go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and like the previous video before. Go ahead and comment below. And please, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channels, because we have some amazing content coming real soon. So say once you tune in, you're gonna laugh till your week, because me, I one piece of puppy show me a drama, me not have no sense.
Idiot.
Yeah, me can tell you. You know see the half of me yet. So when me come out, me I come out strong.
It's all about supporting. So go and subscribe to our channel, like
and
this
get
video.
us to 1,000 subscribers. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. So come on, get us there.
Get us to 1,000 subscribers.
And go ahead and smash, damage the like button. Mash it up. Yes, you should mash it up like that.
Like that.
Damage it.
Damage the like button.
Damage it. So,
think I sing and sing.
Till me.
Okay, sing.
Damage it. Damage the like button. What do you want to do? Damage the like button. Damage it.
Ready.
So until next
week,
we'll see